You can have a great hashtag strategy, you can have a great posting strategy, you can have a great story strategy, but if you're missing this one thing, you're simply not going to grow. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargent. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, that means you're more than likely a local or a small business that wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before we get into today's video, all about how to use Instagram for local business marketing, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so that way when I upload new content all about local business marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about how to use Instagram for local businesses. And I'm going to give you my hot tips on how local businesses can really grow their Instagram and really grow their audience and grow their audience network. And ultimately, that's what you're looking to do. So like, we don't really care so much about how many followers you have. We don't really care about how many likes you're getting on posts. What we care about are the people that you are connecting with and the conversations that you're having, because you can do all of these great things like a hashtag strategy, a location strategy, a great story strategy, a posting strategy, but if you're not doing this one thing, then you're simply not going to grow on Instagram. And that one thing, I'll go ahead and tell you right now, is engagement. Engagement is going to be key for you to grow. And I'm talking about meaningful engagement. So we're going to get to that in a second, but first I'm going to share my screen with you, my phone, and I'm going to show you how I hide hashtags on Instagram stories, how to find your right captions, when you should be posting and how often you should be posting, and so much more. So if you're excited, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And let's go ahead and share my screen. I have to start this video by saying that it's never a guarantee that you'll rank for these hashtags in Instagram stories, but you can have 10 and it definitely does not hurt to try. So what I've done here is I upload a background that I like to use and build on, and then I'm typing the hashtags that I want to use, very centric, local centric for me, and normal font, and then I squeeze them where I want and then take the color dropper tool and blend them. So that way, if you're looking at the story, you can't totally notice them. It doesn't look like super spammy or cheesy, but Instagram can read them, and ultimately that's all that matters. Okay, so right underneath my name, you'll see Claremont, Florida, and that's the location tag that I use. So every single local business should 100% use a location tag, and then tag everybody possible on your actual creative. So I've tagged like my hairdresser, Google My Business, and things like that. If you're a local business and you want to tag like your Better Business Bureau and your local commerce, and then down below you'll see I use a handful of local hashtags as well, like hashtag Claremont, Florida, hashtag Lake County, Florida. And then from here, you can see that I'm now going to different local Instagram accounts and going to their tagged pages to see who have tagged them and to meet people this way. And this is a really great way to engage with people who are directly in your backyard, who are in your city, and who could potentially be using your services. And now I'm going to the tags and I'm typing in Claremont, Florida, to see who has posted there, and I'm going right to the recent tab and I'm seeing what it has been posted recently, and if this is any content that I can leave thoughtful and engaging commentary on, and try to establish and grow a relationship with anybody that has recently posted using those central tags. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it super helpful for you if you're a local business owner that wants to grow your Instagram. And keep in mind that Instagram takes time. Like, this is a long process and this is something that takes time. And actually, in this video right here, I talk about my biggest digital marketing mistake, which is the fact that I didn't start my personal brand 10 years ago, and then I'm basically launching my personal brand right now. But it's okay because I'm growing on Instagram too, and my Instagram started with 0 followers, and now I'm consistently growing and meeting new people in my community and all over the world to help serve my business, and it's growing consistently. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I have a ton more videos that are about to pop up on the screen, so be sure to watch them. And I kindly ask, once again, that you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about local business digital marketing, I would love to help you. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.